An oversized corner lot, a two-car garage, and a home that was built for entertaining. This is 4901 Eastern Street in Gentilly. There's so much to love about 4901 Eastern Street, but probably my favorite feature in the whole home is this elevated loft space. It can be used for game nights, for hangouts, for the kids to use, or just a great place to cozy up with a good book. And the construction of this loft space grants you all of this extra storage space down below. Even on a cloudy, dreary day like today, you can see how these huge windows in 4901 Eastern provide tons of natural light. And here in the living room, this is a bit of a pro tip. I love that you can use this elevation of these stairs and the loft space that I just told you about to work as kind of stadium seating in a way. So whether you're watching a Saints game or a movie or your favorite TV show with friends, this space truly was built for entertaining. I didn't lie to you. So to prove that point even further, let's go take a look at the kitchen right this way. It's a full chef's kitchen, extra storage, you've got the kitchen island, which will stay, and then you've got a gas range, which everybody who's been to New Orleans knows is a non-negotiable. So I just love that the big windows and the bright light carries through the entire home. So this is a perfect spot for you to come and entertain with all of your friends. The sellers made a genius use of space by enclosing what was once just an oversized secondary living room into a laundry and craft room. So it gives us this beautiful hallway that you can use as a gallery wall for all your family portraits, the kids' artwork, whatever it is that you like to display, you can do that here. And that made this room so special. Not only is it a very nice and sort of luxurious laundry room, it has this beautiful brick accent from the fireplace on the other side, and there is so much space in here that you could build out a craft room. So this can be your laundry and sewing and crafting all in one space. So keep the mess right here and it won't creep its way into the other rooms. Natural light is the name of the game, and the primary suite is no exception. And here's the showstopper. This is the fully renovated primary ensuite bathroom that has a gorgeous double vanity, brand new tile mosaic here in the shower, and this great shower tub combo that just alone using me for scale, you can see how much space is in here. So enjoy a nice spa night, nice cozy evening in, warm up during those cold days and cool off on the hot days. Look, it's New Orleans. Everybody loves a little bit of lagniappe. And in addition to this massive backyard, thanks to being on an oversized corner lot, we also have a hot tub. And you know what? If you buy this house, I'll throw in the hot tub for free. Thanks for watching, and for even more home tours and free educational content, don't forget to like and subscribe.